In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Commercive AI to generate high-converting product descriptions and page copy without staring at a blank page or overthinking every word. Now, quick heads up before we jump in, Commercive doesn't work like a traditional website or dashboard. It actually runs inside Discord, and that's intentional. You give it context about your product, your audience, and your tone, and it generates copy you can use immediately. I'll walk you through exactly how that works, what to input, and how to turn the output into real product page copy you can actually publish. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery. Let's get into it. Now, before we get started, if you want to follow along or try this yourself, you can use the link below to get access to Commercive. It comes with a 7-day free trial, so you can test everything we're about to walk through. So what is Commercive exactly? At a basic level, it's an AI tool built specifically for e-commerce copy. Things like product descriptions, feature breakdowns, and full product page sections. It's not trying to write essays or blog posts. It's focused on helping you explain what you're selling in a way that actually converts. The reason it feels a little different is because it doesn't live on a traditional website. Commercive runs inside Discord, and that is on purpose. So instead of filling out a bunch of forms or clicking through templates, you give it context about your product and your customer, and it responds with copy you can immediately work with. Think of it less like a dashboard and more like a copy assistant you're having a conversation with. You guide it, refine the output, and then take what you need for your product page. Now that you know what Commercive is and why it works this way, let me show you where the copy actually gets generated. So once you sign up for Commercive using the link below, this is the first environment you're dropped into. Now you're inside WAP because Commercive is delivered through WAP rather than a standalone website. That's important to understand up front. Commercive isn't a random SaaS dashboard you log into separately. It lives inside WAP, which handles access, billing, and community all in one place. At first glance, this might feel like a lot, but I want to quickly orient you so you know exactly where everything lives, and then we'll get into the part that actually matters, generating product descriptions and page copy. When you land here, you'll see the Discover tab highlighted on the left. Think of Discover as WAP's marketplace. This is where people browse tools, communities, and software, including Commercive. You don't need to spend much time here once you set it up, but it helps to know this is where WAP services different products and categories. For this tutorial, we're not browsing. We already have access to Commercive, so we're going to move past this pretty quickly. Next, you'll see messages and notifications in the left-hand menu. So messages allows you to DM other users on WAP. Notifications show things like updates, mentions, or activity related to products you're part of. Again, these aren't core to using Commercive itself, but they're part of the ecosystem. If Commercive ever sends updates, announcements, or across-related messages, this is where you'd see them. You'll also notice options like create a business and affiliates. So these are for creators who want to sell products on WAP or promote other tools. They are powerful features, but they're not required to use Commercive for AI-generated copy. So if you're here purely to generate product descriptions and page content, you don't need to touch these at all. Now this is the important part. Under your WAPs, you'll see Commercive listed on the left. So this is your actual access point. When you click into Commercive, WAP opens the Commercive environment, and in this case, that includes integrations like Discord. So if you're wondering why you're seeing a Discord connection screen, that is completely normal. When you open Commercive for the first time, you're brought to this page asking to connect your Discord account. Now, this doesn't mean Commercive only lives on Discord. It means part of the experience includes community access, updates, and support through Discord. Connecting your account gives you access to the Commercive community, announcements, and any shared resources. You don't need to interact to Discord to use the AI feature themselves, but connecting it ensures you're fully set up and won't miss anything important. So yes, when you sign up, being brought to this page is expected. I wanted to show you this entire flow first because it explains how you access Commercive before we talk about what it does. A lot of people get stuck here and think, did I sign up wrong? Why am I not seeing a traditional dashboard? But once you understand that Commercive is delivered through WAP and that WAP handles access while Commercive handles the AI, everything just clicks. From here, you're fully set up to start generating product descriptions and page copy, which is what we are going to focus on next. So when you join Commercive, you're dropped into a Discord workspace. This isn't meant to be overwhelming. It's just where all the AI tools and builders live. So you don't need every channel here. For generating product descriptions and page copy, there's really one place that matters. So you want to click on AI Store Builder, and this is where Commercive connects you to AI tools that actually generate store content. So this is where Commercive connects you to the AI tools that actually do the work, not theory, not strategy, but tools that generate real store content. So you'll see right away that Commercive has partnered with Atlas, which is an AI store builder that lives inside of Shopify. And they give you a code here so you can unlock the trial and discount. The important thing to understand is this: Commercive isn't where you build the store. This is just where you get access. So once you have the code, the next step is jumping into Shopify and installing Atlas, because that's where the product descriptions, page copy, layouts, and images actually get generated. All right, so now that we've grabbed the code from Commercive, the next step is actually going into Shopify, because that is where Atlas lives. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you'll need one first, and you can use the link below to start a free Shopify trial so you can follow along with everything that I'm about to show you. Okay, so once you are in Shopify, we are going to the Shopify App Store, and we are going to search for Atlas AI Store Builder, which is right here. So this is the app that actually generates your product descriptions, page copy, layouts, and images using AI. So I am going to install Atlas now, and I'll walk you through how it works inside of a real Shopify store. Okay, so we are going to click install. Awesome. So now that it's installed, this is where the actual store creation happens. Atlas works by taking a real product and building an entire store around it, the layout, the product page, and the copy. So I am going to choose AliExpress as the product source because it's one of the fastest ways to test a product, and all Atlas needs is a single product link. Okay, so I'm going to AliExpress and I am going to choose this blush stick. And so we are going to copy the product URL and then paste it directly into Atlas. So you'll just go to your search bar and then copy. And then we are going back, and here where it says AliExpress product link, we are going to paste that link that we just copied. And from just this one link, Atlas generates the product description, page copy, visuals, and structure automatically. So this is where the time savings really comes in. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you're starting with a complete conversion-focused foundation that you can tweak and improve instead of building from zero. Okay, so you guys just saw after pasting the product link, I clicked proceed and Atlas essentially takes over. You can see it start crafting the store in real time. It's importing the product data, doing market research, writing the sales copy, creating the theme, and then finalizing everything. And this is the part that normally takes hours or even days if you're doing it manually, and Atlas is handling it all automatically in the background. So once this finishes, you're not stuck with something locked. You can still customize the designs, colors, fonts, and layouts all inside of Shopify, but the heavy lifting is already done for you. And this is why it's so powerful for getting a store live fast without starting from a blank page. All right, so once Atlas finishes generating the store, it brings you here to select the product images you want to use. Instead of automatically dumping everything in, it lets you choose which visuals actually represent the product best. Lifestyle shots, you got close-ups, swatches, or before and after images. So you only need a minimum of 4 images, but you can definitely keep more if they add value. You also have the option to upload your own images if you want higher quality photos or branded content. This step matters because your images directly affect how trustworthy and premium the store feels, and Atlas gives you control here instead of locking you into whatever the supplier provided. And once you're happy with the selection, you can just click continue and move forward with the build. So this is where the AI generated copy comes together. Atlas takes the product data, images, and market research it already ran and turns it into a full product page you can edit in real time. On the left, you can tweak things like the product title, the tagline, bullet points, and even the description. And on the right, you can immediately see how those changes look on the live storefront. So here, if it says unleash your natural radiance effortlessly. You can delete effortlessly, and then it'll just pop up on the right-hand side. So instead of writing from scratch or guessing what converts, you're refining copy that's already structured to sell. This is the core of generating high converting product descriptions. The AI gives you a very strong starting point, and you can keep control over the final message so it matches your brand and audience. And on the left-hand side, under subscriptions, you will see an option to enter a coupon code. If you're coming through Commercive, they do provide a code that gives you a discount or extended trial on Atlas. You don't need Commercive to install Atlas, but if you're already inside Commercive, it's basically a built-in perk for members. So at this point, you might be wondering if Atlas is generating the product pages and copy inside Shopify. What role does Commercive actually play? This is where a lot of people get confused, so it's important to explain it clearly. Commercive isn't the tool generating your product pages. Atlas is doing that work inside of Shopify. So what Commercive provides is the operating layer around your store. So it's built to support e-commerce sellers beyond just page creation by bringing together sourcing guidance, fulfillment support, vetted tools, and a community of other sellers in one place. Where Atlas helps you build faster, Commercive helps you operate smarter. Most people can get a store live, but where they struggle is everything that comes after, like choosing the right products, avoiding unreliable suppliers, understanding fulfillment options, and not feeling like they're figuring everything out alone. That's the gap Commercive is designed to fill. Another real benefit of Commercive is that it acts as a filter. So instead of bouncing between random tools like YouTube videos, Discord servers, and paid courses, Commercive centralizes resources and workflows that are already being used by active sellers. You're not just getting access to software, you're getting direction. Tools like Atlas can generate strong product descriptions and page layouts, but tools alone don't answer bigger questions like whether a product is worth testing, how it should be priced, or what mistakes to avoid early on. Commercive adds context and guidance around those decisions, which is what helps sellers move with more confidence. The reason Commercive uses Discord isn't to make things complicated, it's about accessibility and real-time support. Discord allows for updates, shared resources, and direct interaction with other sellers, which is very different from logging into a static dashboard and figuring things out on your own. Atlas and Commercive aren't competing tools, they complement each other. Atlas handles execution inside Shopify by generating pages and copy quickly, while Commercive supports everything around that execution by helping you make better decisions as you build and scale. If all you want is a single product page, Atlas alone might be enough, but if you're trying to build an actual e-commerce business where sourcing, fulfillment, testing, and scaling matter, Commercive becomes much more valuable. A lot of people skip platforms like Commercive at first because they think they'll figure things out later, but later is usually when mistakes can get expensive. Commercive exists to shorten that learning curve and reduce unnecessary trial and error. So when we talk about generating high converting product descriptions and page copy, Atlas is responsible for creating the content, but Commercive supports the decisions around that content. It's the difference between launching something that looks good and building something that's designed to last. If you want to try Atlas inside of Shopify, everything is linked below. And if you want the broader support system around it, including sourcing guidance, tools, and community, that's where Commercive fits in. The goal isn't just to build faster, it's to build smarter. And that's how you can use Commercive AI to generate high converting product descriptions and page copy without starting from scratch. From getting the initial structure to refining the final message, this workflow helps you move faster while keeping control over what actually goes live on your store. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.